It's about a week after I put the last round of mortar and the deep pointing NHL 5 mortar onto this fieldstone foundation. You can see it's nice and firm now. You can still scratch it away a little bit, but yeah, that's very solid. Set up nicely, and that's the result. And there's some shallow pointing left to do here and there with the 3.5 NHL, but it's in pretty decent shape. I'm done the two open pits that I have excavated, and need to put a little bit more mortar in just to bring it up to the surface of the have this last hole to deal with, which is right at the corner between this rather unprofessionally installed retaining wall and the old foundation. So it's really not structural, and we're just trying to prevent big rodents, I guess, going through holes like that. So I'll put a couple of pieces of concrete, which I've got here, into that hole somewhere, and kind of just fill the void, and then line them all up and throw some mortar in there as well to seal these big holes.